Hi guys, I have ordered few shirts from the brand The Bear House and this is my honest review after using them for a while. It's not just my opinion, my friends, my brother use it and then I'm sharing my experience about this product. So the fabric start getting bubbles after using it for 2 or 3 weeks. If you're paying around 1000 rupees, at least we expect better quality. If this is the condition of the shirt after using 2 3 weeks, then honestly it's not worth it, and even it will get faded out in just 1 month. So that's my review of the brand The Bear House. Let me know your opinion in the comment. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the video.